Oh, hello. I was just looking at my new tires here that I got from Scale Tires. So I guess it's bunker time? So yeah, I got some new tires. This one is for a cross. Cross, yeah. You can see here. And here we have for a Kamaz. See in the light. So yeah, this gonna be my next two builds, I guess. Cross, not sure, maybe a dump truck. I need something to haul sand. Now when I have the kilowatt that I can load with. And a Kamaz, I thinking maybe log truck, like the Seal. But yeah, I'm not sure. Maybe you. What would you like to see? A Cross and a Kamaz? Leave a comment. So yeah, bunker time. I thought I'm gonna show you the DT77 because it's kind of done now. I have some small thing I probably will fix on it, but I have it right here. So if you wanna see the finished product, let's check it out. So here we have it. As you can see, I have weathered it and put all together and done some minor details. Like here, you have a flask for gasoline for this, the engine starter, which also is a engine, I guess. Yeah, that's a two-tact gasoline engine. You have to start first to then start the diesel engine, if I have understand it correctly. That's one way to do it. Then we have here, Boris is in place.
Make this video quick now. I went out and drive this machine on the snow.
I have not done so much to the interior. I fixed some light and the dashboard. That's kind of all I have done. And then I have put some rust on it, as you can see here. And then I got a guy I talked to from Germany, I think it was, said I should take a ordinary pencil. See, I have it like this. Put it on like this to get things look a lot more like clean steel. So I have done that in some places. Looks pretty good, I think. And here we have the electric for the cylinder. I did this, hard to see, but yeah. And also you have that here, so it looks like hydraulic, like that. Also here on the tank, I did that. And the roof, I painted with, here we have MIG ammo, engine grime. Took that on the roof to get the shadows. Stuff like that. I think it turned out pretty good. Then the engine. There are my parts. And it looks like this. Also, I did fix the light. So I thought I'm gonna show you how that works. First, I have to take out this lid I made there. Just gonna put you guys down. Then we'll get that out. Then put in the battery like that. Try to put in the cable. Then you just take this lid. This is hard filming it, I have to say. So, like that. Then the battery is all hide inside the tank. Then you have here. And then you have to push this button to start it up. And then I put the light on the smoke, the electricity for the smoke. And then you have it like this. And also in the back. Then this control, you drive it. Then I have on this the 3-dot lift. And then if we turn it around, we have this one for the front load. It's not super fast, but it's pretty strong. It's lifting the tractor like that, and then you can drive it with load. And then like this to get it up. And then you have this button here. Totally useless on this, but if I get a guy with an AK maybe, then I have a machine gun. Maybe if there are bears in the woods or wolves maybe. So yeah, that's how far I have gotten on the DT47. It's kind of done. I have some small things I need to do. I need to fix the gearbox. They are open now, so I'm gonna try to cover them with something, because otherwise mud and stuff will get in the gears and that will probably not end so well. But right now I feel more for starting a new project, doing something new. And long time I built a truck, I feel, so it's time for that. I will do the Cross and a Kamaz. So that's my next plan. 1 to 10 they will be. They will be. English is not my first language. You may have noticed that. So yeah, leave a comment, subscribe, like, and please watch my videos, because I really need the view hours to get up. Take care, everyone.